My name is Richard Rinne. I'm an engineering geologist, and I work out of Portland, but most of my work is done on the Oregon coast. And the specialty is coastal hazards, and I work a lot with homeowners and with other developers, commercial people, on shoreline protection and shoreline processes. One of the first elements that needs to be looked into when you're developing on the coast is the geologic hazard report. And typically the geologic hazard report involves two elements. One is a library type research, which involves looking at past geologic reports, geotechnical reports, state and federal agency publications, and then following that up by an actual on-site field reconnaissance. The on-site geologic reconnaissance consists of walking the site, looking for evidence of past landsliding or past ground instability, recent landsliding, construction that may have altered the ground or the drainage patterns. You look at bluff exposures, streams, ditch exposures, anything that will tell you what's going on with the ground. Once the reconnaissance has been completed, the library research and the reconnaissance are folded together in a report for the homeowner, but with the understanding that ultimately it will be presented to a local or state agency for, permit purposes, whether it's shoreline protection or construction. Once the geologic hazard report is completed, and if the owner decides to go forth with the project, then a geotechnical report may be required, again depending upon the structure or the project being built. And the geotechnical report will address stabilization of shorelines, foundation installation, and just general engineering and construction ideas.